Ever wondered about the meaning behind the unique design of an Orthodox church? Orthodox churches have distinct features. The interior space has an iconostasis with royal doors, an altar table, candle stands, a place for the choir, and crosses. How does the architecture of the Orthodox Church express its theology? Have Orthodox churches always had intricate altars and icons? This lecture introduces Orthodox architecture by reviewing early Christian evidence and introducing the core principles of Christian architecture and worship. Join us at Protection of the Virgin Mary Orthodox Church in Merrillville, Indiana on June 21st, 2025 at 4:30 p.m. Dr. Nicholas Denisenko will deliver an interesting lecture entitled They Were All Together in One Place: The Purpose of Christian Architecture. Come and learn.